Previously on Unwinding Roads, I did a solo trip to a fire lookout, and then met up with some friends. On today's adventure, we hit another fire lookout, checked out some petroglyphs, and had an unexpected recovery. So we're on the road again. Shh, talking. And Mike knows a place where there's some petroglyphs, which is news to me. I had no idea that there was some petroglyphs around here. So we're gonna find them. Brought to you by Epic Adventure Outfitters. We woke up at a beautiful lake, surrounded by gorgeous views. It was a great morning, just soaking it all in, while we were on our way to find the petroglyphs. So of course it's raining. We knew it was coming. We're gonna check out these petroglyphs. Here we are with the petroglyphs. It's pretty cool. Some of them are like real clear, but I don't know if you can see on camera, but right here, it looks like it's been, you know, washed off through time. But these are the ones that stood out the most right out the gate, so I'm gonna try to find some more. Maybe the people were trying to tell us something. That's a sign. That's me and Scout right there. I'm like, come here, Scout. And then he came here, and then somebody drew a picture of it. I apologize for the blurry camera, but some raindrops on it. But look at this. Straight up is that. That's hanging over my head. And there's like a tree that sticks off of it. Pretty creepy. I feel like it's gonna fall any second. The petroglyphs were awesome. Searching the walls and discovering new ones for the first time was a great experience. We were back on the road now and headed for one of the most unexpected recoveries I've encountered yet. this pin.
Put it in reverse, give it a little bit of throttle, and honk the horn and I'll pull you out. And we're using freedom recovery gear.
Are you sure that thing can pull this thing out? So we ran into a stuck car, but we'll get them out. I gave them a quick tug, but now they're off the side, so I think I'll pull them forward and get them out of here. Hooking up a line to Mike's Hummer so the overland car wouldn't slide off any further, and another line to the Unwinder to pull them forward, we were able to get them out of there pretty smoothly.
Yeah, that might work.
Can you go more to your driver's side? A little bit more, I'll tell you when you're tight. Good. Just wait. Yeah, it gets me from point A to point B. Yeah. All right, guys, take care. Cheers. That was fun.
Yeah, we just rescued some car life people.
They're on their way. We're gonna get on our way. Let's get up. Let's get going.
Let's do this.
Well done.
Boom.
When are they gonna pave this road so it's not so muddy?
I know. They need to pave it so all the overlanders can get up here.
So the cars don't have that much trouble. Well, after pulling out the car, I managed to puncture my sidewall. So the spare is going on. Every off-roader knows that your turn is coming. Mike and myself had this wheel changed pretty quickly, and we're back on our way. Tires changed, back on the road.
Woo. That was a quick one. We got her done.
That's 2 recoveries in one day.
2 recoveries in one day. Nailed it. You're good. Just keep in the throttle. Just keep in the throttle. You're just gonna slide sideways like I did.
We made it to the fire lookout. It's awesome up here.
It's very cold up here. And snowing a little bit.
It did snow a little bit. We had a hot dog. And it wasn't even hot by the time we ate it.
I thought it was good.
Yeah. Let's check this place out. It's nice and peaceful in here. It's not windy. It's kind of warm actually.
Yeah.
Mike signing the guest book. He left some things for you.
Yeah, got some free stuff here. Get you some stickers and magnets.
Please subscribe and tune in next week for a big life-changing announcement. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.